today for our foundational skills video, we're going to review some things we've learned this week. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to play a thumbs up, thumbs down game. And this is about rhyming words. So I'm going to say two words, and if they rhyme, thumbs up. If they don't, thumbs down, okay? So the first two sets of words I'm going to say are dog and bird. If they rhyme, thumbs up. If they don't, thumbs down. Dog and bird. Thumbs down, those don't rhyme. Goat and boat. Goat and boat. If they rhyme, thumbs up. If they don't, thumbs down. They do. Goat and boat do rhyme. Good job. Okay, here's the next one. Rabbit and bunny. Rabbit and bunny. Do they rhyme? Nope, they don't. Mouse and house. Mouse and house. They do rhyme. Okay, let me give you a couple more. Cart and dart. Cart and dart. If they do rhyme, thumbs up. If they don't, thumbs down. Cart and dart. They do. Good job. Okay, and I'm going to do one more. Boy and girl. Boy and girl. Nope, good job. They don't rhyme. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to play a little review game about syllables. Remember how yesterday we clapped out syllables? Okay, so up here at the top of my board, we don't need to pay attention to this part yet, but up here at the top you see I have these kind of dice drawn. So this one has 1 dot, 2, 3, and 4. Do y'all see those? Okay, so what we're gonna do is I am going to give you a word and we're gonna clap out how many syllables and then you're gonna tell me which dice to point to. Okay, so if it has 1 syllable, we're going to point to 1. If it has 2, 2. If it has 3, 3. If it has 4, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up here so the bottom part doesn't distract us. And then we can get started with our game. Okay. 1 second here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it up here so then you all can tell me which one to point to. Okay, so the first word, let's clap it out, is teacher. Teacher. So point to it, point to the dice which it goes to. Teacher. How many syllables does that have? 2. So we would put it right here. We would point right here and it would go with the 2 dice. Okay? The next word is cook. Cook. So clap it. Cook. How many syllables does that have? Point to which dice it would go under. Cook. That just has 1, so it would go right here. And you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to write those words with each dice. So we said cook goes right here. Our first one was teacher, and it was 2. Okay? Now, let's see where our next one goes. This one's a long one. Okay? It's librarian. So count it with me. Librarian. Librarian. Point to which one that would go under. Librarian. How many syllables does it have? 4. Good job. So I'm right, librarian right here. Librarian. Oops, my N kind of looks like an R. Let me fix it. Librarian. Okay, here's the next one. Principal. So let's count. Ready? Principal. Principal. How many does it have? Point to which dice it would go under or go on top of. Principal. 3. Good job. So we could write principal right here. Principal. Good job. I'm going to give you one more. Okay. children. Let's clap that. Children. 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 How many does that have? Point to which dice it would go with. Children. How many? 2. Good job. You guys are getting good at this. Okay, so that was just a little bit of a review game about syllables. Okay, next what we are going to do is we are going to review some uppercase and lowercase letters. So over here on our whiteboard, let me scoot you back. Okay, I have some capital letters drawn. And what we are going to do is I have lowercase letters on these sticky notes. So we are going to decide which sticky note goes where. So this is my first sticky note. I want you all to shout out, what letter is this? Z, very good. So can you point to the capital Z that you see on the board? Good job, it goes right here. So I'm going to put this lowercase z with the capital. Very good. Here's my next one. What letter is this? Shout out this letter. T, very good. So point to the capital T on our whiteboard. Up here, good job. So this is a capital T, this is a lowercase t. You can't kind of see that, it's right there. Okay, here's our next one. What letter is this? Someone shout out. What letter is this? X, very good. Find the X that's up on our whiteboard and point to it. Yep, good job. Here's our next letter. Shout out and tell us, what letter is this? S, very good. Point to the S that's on our whiteboard. Good job. So the lowercase s is going right here. Okay, here's our next letter. Shout out and tell me, what lowercase letter is this? R, very good. Now point to the R you see up on the whiteboard. Very good, right beside the S. Okay, we're almost finished. Someone tell me, what lowercase letter is this? Q, good job. Now someone point to the capital Q that's up here. It's our very first one, good job. Okay, looks like we have 4 more letters. Someone shout out and tell me, what lowercase letter is this right here? Y, very good. Now point to the Y, the capital Y on our board. Good job. Okay, here's our next one. Shout out and tell us, what lowercase letter is this? V, good job, and point to the capital V. We can just match those because they look almost the exact same. Good job. Okay, what letter is this? What lowercase letter do you see? W, good job. Now find the W up here on our board. Right here, good job. Okay, and last but not least, what letter is this? Shout out what lowercase letter this is. U, very good. And find the capital U. Good job, guys. You all are getting good at matching those uppercase with lowercase. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to review the sounds that those letters make. Okay, and I'm going to hold up these cards that we've been working with. So this one is Q. We're going to say Q, quilt, qua. You all say it. Q, quilt, qua. Very good. Next, we have R. R, rabbit, You all say it. R, rabbit, Good job. Next, S. S, sun, S. S, sun, S. Okay. T. T, tiger, T. T, tiger, T. Good job. Umbrella. U for umbrella. U, umbrella, U, umbrella, You all do it. U, umbrella, Next, we have V. V, van, V. V, van, V. Remember, that one tickles your lip. You all do it. V, van, V. Good job. Next, we have W. W, watch, W. W, watch, W. You all do it. W, watch, W. Very good. We're getting close to the end. X. So we're going to say X, fox, X. X, fox, X. You all do it. X, fox, X. Great. Next we have Y. Y, yo-yo, ya. Y, yo-yo, ya. Your turn. Y, yo-yo, ya. Good job. And then our last letter, we did it, is Z. Z, zebra, Z. Z, zebra, Z. You all. Z, zebra, Z. Good job. Do you know we are all the way through the alphabet now? I can't believe it. We've done so much. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do today is we're going to be talking about our words to know, okay? So I'm going to hold up our words, and then we're going to talk about them. So this was our very first word. It is the word the. Everyone say T-H-E spells the. You say it. T-H-E spells the. And we could say, I choose the purple ball. Or you could say, I like going to the dentist. Okay, good job. Our next word that we learned is A. So this is a letter and a word. Everyone say A. A, good job. And I'm going to say, I see a bird in the sky. I see a bird in the sky. Or I want to eat a pizza. I want to eat a pizza. Okay. Last time, the word see. Everyone say see. This is the word for this week.
Go ahead for pre-K.
S-E-E spells
We
see.
need the packet for Genesis, and we need the packet from kindergarten for Catherine Chavez Hernandez.
Okay, last time, S-E-E spells see. Very good, and we can say, I can see with my new glasses. Good job, guys. I'll see you later.